Cosmic Bird, 44.59. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 5 times on the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Blue Jays up top. The Tigers at the bottom. 5 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Roy up top. Dustin Waters at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. Cosmic Early Bird. We are full. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Here we go. You already put it up there for me, man? Look at you. So what? You're a nice guy.
Sean Lundy. 44.56. 9 left.
I don't think Bobby's going to let me rip that one.
Yeah, I'm going to let you rip it because I may be out of here.
He's going home. Ugh. That's not good.
Pizza too quick.
Probably. I was like, before you go, I'm gonna need a restroom break.
It's full as hell. I'm sitting there gurgling. Not even that good. They beat like 5 teams with a winning record.
What do you mean we beat 8 teams with a winning record, Bob?
Maybe the same team twice. That won't count as another team just because you beat them twice.
What do you mean?
You beat a team twice.
Hey, 8 wins against teams with winning records. What do you want from me? That's pretty good. Hopefully Flacco's getting a nice massage at halftime.
I don't know where these teams have been because their last 4 they ain't played nobody.
Adley on the rook. Alvarez, extraterrestrial. Let's see if we got a random here. Astros, Royals, and Mariners. Astros to Derek, Royals for Dustin, Mariners for Dylan. That'll be a random. Left, middle, right on the random. You got Shohei launched into orbit. We got Michael Toglia, Masataka Yoshida, O'Neal Cruz, Pete Alonso, Duran. Another one here, Orioles, Royals, and Tigers. Orioles for Ryan Bowersock. Royals for Dustin, Tigers for Dustin. That one goes to Dustin Waters. Easy enough. He's doing it. Vladdy Jr., Brett Beatty, Gunnar Henderson on the refractor for the Orioles. J.J. Bleday, refractor, Rook, and Kadai Senga. That was full of like soda or something. I was like, oh no.
That would be brutal, wouldn't it?
Wander, Rutschman, and Gunner. The star clusters for Baltimore. Cole Reagans. Orange, Starling Marte to 25. Last on the print, 25 out of 25 for the New York Mets.
Who gets the ball first? The Jets?
Jets.
They come down and scored.
Gorman, Vladdy Jr.
It's their only shot. They got to score this first possession.
Scope of Taylor Ward for the Angels. Got Trout and Ohtani. Another one for the Angels. Austin Riley, Jordan Walker on the Rook. Juan Soto, Cody Bellinger. Bellinger. And O'Neal Cruz, Astros on the Star Clusters. Scherzer. Tommy Edman on the Refractor, and Trevor Story. Pretty weak box there. If I'm not gonna lie to you, that was a pretty weak box at Cosmic. Gonna recap it. Trout and Ohtani on the Star Clusters. Taylor Ward, Starling Marte to 25. Gunner and Rutschman, J.J. Bleday, and Gunner on the Refractor. Again, we got a random left, middle, right. Pena, Witt, Jr., Rodriguez. Good luck.
Dice roll left, middle, right. Here we go. We're going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going to the right side.
Mariners. Wonderful. Got it. All right, I'm more into the restroom real quick since you're sitting there.
Cosmic Bird in the box.